Start with some onions, white onions. Ayan. 3 cloves of garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of bagoong. Old rice siya, mga around 3 cups of the old rice. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce lang. 1 teaspoon of liquid seasoning. Konting spring onions, no? Yung kalahati, bubudbud natin mamaya. Tapos, budburan natin ng scrambled eggs. Then, budburan natin ng green onions, our pork chop.